How to fix camera not working on Windows 11. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to go to the search bar and search for the settings option of your Windows 11. Let's search for the settings option and click on the settings option, then to navigate to the settings page. And here you can see the Bluetooth and devices option. You just have to simply click on here and then scroll down and look for the option called cameras from here, and you just have to click on search for cameras. So if you find there is no camera detected on this section, then the next thing you have to do is you have to go to the privacy and security option and scroll down and click on the camera section from here. And if you see the camera access is turned off like this one, you just have to make sure it is turned on, and you just have to always check on the let apps access your camera. And if that not also is the solution or the fix of your problem, then you can just go to the Windows search bar again and search for drivers from here and click on device manager, and then you just have to select the cameras option from here, and you have to just expand the option, and then you just have to right click on the camera and you can just directly click on update driver from here, or you can just click on property and go to the drivers option and click on update driver and search automatically for drivers, and then close the window and again close this window also, and then you can just restart your PC or laptop and then look or see if your camera is working fine or not. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.